Well, hello, my frilly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. Hope you're having a great day. Happy Friday. We are back at Aldi. We're going to check out some new arrivals. Now, normally I get here like Wednesday morning, right when the store opens, but it's just been kind of one of those weeks. But I am here now, so let's check it out. A couple of new items right here. I'm not seeing any prices. They're kind of really tight in the corner. We saw those last week. And there was the kids chair. I didn't find a price for that, but now the 4-panel vegetable tower, that's $7.99. And then we have the basket, the 4-way basket hanger, and the basket stakes. I'm actually going to grab a couple of those because I want them for some new lanterns I got. And no price right here. Okay, the landscape turf rug. So it feels like fake grass. This would really be pretty like in a back patio or on a balcony. But no price. But the size is 4x6. So hopefully they'll have some next week and we'll catch the price. $3.79. The beverage stakes are on clearance already. But I wanted to point this out. So see this basil. I bought one that was lavender. The lavender never grew. Nothing ever grew. So honestly, I'm not going to recommend those. Those were $6.99 too. But these glasses, I'm kind of going back to these. Those are really pretty. Hopefully they're in a different area. There's only 2 right there. We have the pineapple slicer. Oh, this is the perfect time of year for this. And these are only $4.99. So a couple of different color of the tops, so whatever matches your kitchen, but not a bad price for a pineapple slicer. And I love fresh pineapple like that. Now here's another new item, ceramic baking dishes. No price. Wow, I'm striking out on the prices. The 2-piece set, this is heavy. I'm going to put that back in there. So you have the 2 smaller ones, so 2 different sizes, and then you have the large ceramic baking dish in the back. And those are always nice to have. And I like the ceramic because they're really easy to clean. This ice coffee maker. Now this is on the top shelf. So I'm kind of tiptoeing. $24.99, not a bad price. And here are more of the glasses. Okay, these are $6.99. What a great price. So it's a set of 4. You get like the cactus green, you have the pink one, and then you have the ones that look like pineapples. Those are really nice. And then the pizza cutting board and crisper set. This is $9.99. Oh, this is cool. I like that. Now, the store is packed. And so it's a little tight right here, but these ice cubes, these reusable ice cubes are really nice. But if you don't like reusable ones, you have these. Oh, those are perfect. Yeah, for the water bottles. And I like the ice stick trays and these ice cubes. Actually, for my husband who likes iced coffee, I actually pour coffee in those to make him, so when he's like putting the ice in there, it doesn't dilute it. So those are perfect for that. At $3.99, not a bad price. And the beverage dispenser. Well, this is nice. This is huge. Look at the size of this. This is a couple of gallons. So it's all plastic. And yeah, even I'm hoping it on the inside is the dispenser. But $12.99, normally $14.99. Not a bad price for those. You can put anything you want in there. Ooh, these are pretty. So just gonna show the price. $19.99. Oh, this is gorgeous. This nice wood bowl. You could do so much with that. And what are these? Okay, the melamine tray or storage bowl set, $7.99. How cute and summery are these? Oh, I like these. I like the size of that bowl. And the tray is really pretty too. Let's see if I can grab it out. Woo. Okay, this is really cute. Perfect for, you know, serving beverages. I like that tray. And these baskets. Now, these baskets remind me of the ones I found at Sam's Club. They're $60 at Sam's Club. Here, $22.99. See, that was the price I was looking for. It's a Hull It All tote bag. I'm good with tote bags, but that is actually really nice, especially for the beach. Okay, here's another area with the ceramic baking dishes. They are $14.99 each. Not a bad price. At $5.99, what are these? Okay, wine glasses, but I think they're plastic. They feel super light. Oh, and they come with charms. Oh, that's really cute. And especially for this price. So you have about 3 different styles to choose from. The one in the middle is like an iridescent, $5.99. That is a great deal. That's a really nice little fun housewarming gift. $9.99. The candle pedestals. I showed these last week. I've been thinking about them, so I'm actually going to grab a couple of them. I'm glad they're still here. And then you have that marble cheese board, $9.99. That is so, ooh, this is a good weight. It's nice and heavy. You have 2 different options. There's another size back there. It's just the way this box is, I can't get those out. You can see somebody just ripped them down. A bean bag set. Oh, this is really fun, especially for like outdoor games. Again, no price. I'm not finding many prices on items today. The stadium seat. Now this is actually really cool. Yeah, $14.99. Especially if you go to like a lot of kids sporting, they always just have the stadium seats, so you can have a little support on your back. Now $6.99. The plant caddy. Oh, I'm gonna grab one of these. I like having these, especially when I find them for a really good price. They've had a couple of different ones here. See, I grabbed the teacup last week, $12.99. I wish I grabbed 2. I really like it. And it was perfect for a little set of roses that I got from Trader Joe's. And their gardening items, they still have a few. These are really nice, a really great price, honestly. So it kind of caught my eye. There's another style underneath of it when I turned around. So I wanted to show this one. So this one is just a clear plastic, but I like that you have options. So they're both $6.99 and they feel really strong. So these are nice to have. Now $16.99, this solar fire bowl. Well, that sounds really cool. So I am gonna pick one up, and it's the afternoon. So I'm gonna place it on a table in my backyard. I'm gonna show it right here. And so I will keep you posted on how well it works. I really do hope it works. And so $16.99 and then $9.99. Look how cute these little metal, this is perfect for the garden. If you want to add like a little something to it, the hedgehog, this is so adorable. And you have an owl right here. These are adorable, super lightweight, but perfect for an extra little touch in your garden. And I lifted up the box. There's a couple more back there. You see the gnome and the frog. Now $5.99. These are cute. It's like a little baby succulent. It's perfect. And a couple little items for Mother's Day. They have everything ready. So look at these beautiful bouquet of flowers. And how much are these? $13.99. And then right on top for $10, these orchids are so pretty. And I do want to wish all the moms out there a happy Mother's Day, and I hope everybody has a really great weekend. $2.99 for the chocolates. Oh, the teacher's appreciation, that's coming up. And oh, these are really pretty. The tulips for $5.99. So really nice. I like all the different arrangements too. $10 for those. Now the shepherd's hook, $4.99. This is actually a really good price because there's 2 sides to it. Oh wow, that is definitely a deal. And oh, okay, I know these are not the healthiest, they're not healthy at all, but those are some of my favorites. The Coca-Cola ones and the cherries. I don't see the cherries today, but they have different ones. They really do get a good variety at times, but there's no price. It's a day of no prices. Now, $5.49. I think I like these planters. They have not been their best sellers. And these, wow, okay, $19.99. These are bench cushions. Not a bad price. Because I know sometimes the outdoor cushions, those could get pricey. And at $37.99, they've lowered the price of these nesting side tables for the outdoors. That's a better price. They were originally $50. Okay, here's the tomato cages. I was wondering if these were here. There's a lot of them. And there are some really great DIYs, especially if you want to make like tree lights or just decorate your yard. I've seen some great ones. Now, what's this say? $8.99? But it says trellis. This is a tomato cage. I don't think this is the right price because normally these are what, $3 or $4? Now we've seen the outdoor, like the shovels. We saw those a couple of weeks ago. They have the kids. Wow, these have sold down. Yeah, if you're looking for like the housewares at Aldi, definitely double check in a couple of areas. Now this is nice, a little children's feeding set. BPA free, which is always good. Couple of designs, and those are $7.99. And then some of the outdoor, like the swing sets. These always made me nervous. I never got my daughter one. Honestly, I didn't trust the tree. And those are $10 each. We're gonna check out a couple of the foods. The balsamic and honey. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is like potato. Is that potatoes and carrots or is that onions? Either way, they sound great. Great for roasting. So I'm just showing some of the new ones, some of the new foods. So some of the foods you may think I'm not talking about, I actually probably have shown them most likely in the past. And I'll have a link to some of my other Aldi videos as well. But those are $2.99. They even have garlic parmesan. Oh, that sounds good too. Because I know I showed like that bacon wrapped shrimp last week. Now Diana's salted caramel banana babies. These sound really good. There is something about bananas with the chocolate, and then they're gonna add a little bit of salted caramel. That could be a really good tasty treat. Here's some of the nutrition facts. We know there's going to be sugar. The bananas naturally will have their own sugar, plus the chocolate and the caramel, but $5.49. You have your strawberry and vanilla swirl cones, and then the sundae cones. And Aldi always has a good selection this time of year with the ice creams and the popsicles. And they cover all the different diets. There's going to be some gluten-free. There's going to be some vegan, so dairy-free options. And I like that there's such a nice variety at Aldi because then everybody is covered as well. But some really fun treats. And yeah, we have some warm weather coming. We're here in Southern California. So this is the Murrieta store. This is a store I go to quite often. And very excited. And next week, the new Murrieta store opens, so their second location, so I cannot wait to check that store out. I found out that half the staff from this store is actually going to that store. And this store is always so well organized, so I cannot wait to see it. And their cheeses, the jalapeno Havarti cheese sounds good. The creamy Havarti cheese and dill. Oh, those sound really great. They change up their cheese selections. They have a really good pricing. So if you're wanting to make like a charcuterie board or anything, definitely double check all these first. Their salads, they have the potato salad. coleslaw, and check out the prices. These are really good pricing. And these are good sized containers. It's going to feed about, I would say about maybe 4 to 5 people. And the shredded cheese. Now, you know, I've seen like, we'll see like the regular cheddar, the Monterey Jack, mozzarella, but I love seeing specialty cheeses shredded. So I'm going to grab a couple of them actually. And even the dressing. Now this is the cold section, $3.29. You have the cilantro avocado and the ranch. This is a yogurt dressing as well, $3.29, and they're showing it as a new item. So everybody, well, I hope you enjoyed our little pop through to Aldi, checking out some of the new items. Thank you again so much for watching. I hope your day is going great. Take care, and I will talk to you later.